Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tour you around in this cafe called Because Cafe, and it is just new here in Mandalay, Myanmar, and I heard that it has a lot of things to offer for their customers. So let's see and find out what's inside. So follow with me. Anong pangalan? Because. Come in. Nice. Nice. Oh. Yun ang kape nila.
Ito yung kape na nabili ko nung nakaraan. Pero sa kanila,
Saan man?
All day. All day.
Ay, ito pala. Yung sa'yo ng tumbler. Tumbler. Ah, pang Instagram gud eh.
Oo. Mamaya ka no picture mother. Baka sila i-post mo. Baka kunin nila yung picture.
Ang cute ng kuan oh. Tingnan mo oh.
Mother!
Ang cute.
Mother!
Ano ba yan? Ah,
Mag-live tayo.
para siyang kuan. Ang nice sa kanila kuan yung oh. Sorry? Yes, yes. Para siyang nasa cave, no? This is the outside area, guys. So I think the owner here loves bonsai because I can see a lot of bonsai in this cafe. So you can see that the area is spacious. People are just enjoying taking pictures. And the vibe here is quite vibrant and everybody just enjoying.
Ice latte. Walang citrus ginger.
Ano man ang akin? Mango soda.
Mango soda na lang.
soda?
Yeah.
One mango soda. Loko ko muna tayo.
Sama na, uy. Ay, grabe. May paganito pala dito sa amin. Bakit siya? Dito na eh.
Sendo na sa akin.
That's all for today. I hope guys that you are enjoying. And if you like videos about my travels, about my personal life, the things that I am doing, so please don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much.